Welcome to Educational Fair Project. Curator B. Very important areas. The objective of this video is to expose contribution of Salome Ureña to the Dominican Republic. Biography. He was born in Santo Domingo on October 21st, 1850. She was the daughter of the landlord Ansor or Nicolas Ureña de Mendoza and Gregory Diaz de Leon, together with their maternal grandmother and aunt. He the daughter the first educational lessons at an early age. He comes into contact with literature. Her father taught her the classic words of Spanish or French, or was her job Salome developed her work harder, and the art of declamation with her sister Manuela writing in Spanish, French, English, and Latin. She was a Dominican poet and educator, being one of the central figures of lyrical poetry of the 19th century and an innovator in the education of women in the country, influenced by the positive high school and the normal education of Eugenio María de Oso, was outstanding student. He worked fostered on love for the country and his family environment. She was a pioneer of formal female education in the country, of founder of the first second high school in the country, that trained the first normal first teachers. She founded the Instituto Señoritas, the first female secondary high school in the country, that trained the first normal teacher. I carry out work one amongst the first father to my mother Angustius, the first and the next in the birth of my firstborn, the glory and progress. Thank you.